Okay, start at Google, type in BLM National Data, and it will put you over to the BLM website, ARCGIS Online. Click that, and that's going to take you to this screen. Go ahead and exit out. Just press OK to get rid of the viewer thing. Just click on that. And for reference, you can go up to here, layers list. Looks like a little, kind of like a cheeseburger. Go down and click in public land survey systems. Click that. And then you're going to want to cruise over here and put in a search address. You can put in any address you want, but I'm putting in a town of Oakhurst for reference. And just click find. And boom, now we have it. Now you'll see all the different townships and ranges of Oakhurst. But for this purpose, we're going to be using the one here, and I'm going to just zoom it in so you can see the town of Oakhurst. Okay, so here we have the 41 and the 49. I'm going to back it out a little bit, and I'm going to show you the entire township and range. The township and range is listed in the center, 7S21 East. Each section goes in a serpent style, like a snake. Kind of goes backwards, but you'll see that it loops around, and each one of those in the center is your section. So that'll kind of narrow it down a bit for you for what section you're in. Now, to go forward, if you click Oakhurst and you just click it to identify it, and you use that little arrow button, now bingo, here's the big information you need. You're in California, your meridian is 21, Mount Diablo meridian, you're in Township 7, see, you're in South, right there, and then you've got 21, and then you've got East. And so that is kind of showing you everything you need. Now, the township identifier, like if you wanted to see if there was ever a claim here, it's labeled as such. So we're going to go through it again. We have California. Your meridian is 21, which is Mount Diablo, listed right below your range. Now, they do throw a bunch of extra zeros in there just to make it difficult for us gold miners, but you should be able to identify this, write it down, put it into another program through BLM to find out if there was ever any claims there. But that just kind of gives you a quick tutorial on that. Now for the GPS. So if you go up here to this little ruler and you click on it, and it'll see measurement, and then you'll see these three little things here. You want to click the last one. Click on that, and that's going to give you your degrees, and this is your longitude and latitude. Now you can go DMS or degrees. Really depends on the Garmin that you're using, or if, you know, some take a decimal and some don't. So what you could do is you put a little place there and you just click on it, and you'll see that the longitude and latitude are moving around. This is excellent if you're trying to find the corners of your claim. I'm putting this in here for helping you to find out each quarter section and how it's written. I'm also attaching this blank form for you to be able to fill out. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have questions, hit me up on minermagold@gmail.com. I could also send you a copy of this. Let's get back to showing you how to find the topography and outline it so that you could just send that map to BLM. Go up here to Base Map Gallery. It's like the little window. Scroll down, click the topo maps on the bottom. Again, we're in Oakhurst. Click your little ruler, and you're going to want to go to the first one. Go ahead and click on that. And then what you're able to do is mark the corners. Now I'm going to show you a 40-acre claim. You just bring it down, you might mark your corners. Voila, you now have the area you want highlighted. See how it says 41.1 acres. So that will give you something that you can screenshot or print and send to BLM as the location written on a map for the claim that you want. If you go over to layers too, just remember that you can always check current mining claims by going to mining claims, unclick case, and we'll go for closed for right now. Scroll out and you should be able to see here There are some closed mining claims here, not active. They're closed because they're blue. When they're red, they're active. But hopefully this will help you guys. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can always email me or drop a line. Please like and subscribe. I really do enjoy helping people, and I hope that you guys get a lot out of this, because I get a lot out of making these for you. And I'm just trying to do my part so that us gold miners can have our own little piece of heaven in a mining claim. May the AU be with you all. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. Bye.